morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as we had talked earlier, for you who are following me on Instagram, I talked about Afro Talk Thursday, and on this week's Afro Talk Thursday we talked about aloe vera. So here we have our aloe vera. It was quite a struggle to get it, but we found it. So I'll show you how I prepare the aloe vera and how I'll use it on my hair. So first we will wash it. Yeah. We've already washed the aloe vera. I'm going to cut the ends, the front and the back. Okay, don't cut too far. We want to save it. This thing is not quite easy to get. Then on this other end, there you can see how it has some gel. Look at that gel, so nice. So from there we're going to remove these sharp ends. We have our aloe vera, we have the gel inside. You can see, though it's quite thin, but we'll work with it. So after that, I will slice it. Then after slicing, I will cut the middle to expose the jelly which is in the middle. So hi guys, I have cut the aloe vera into this. This is the gel we're going to use. So I'll wash my hair. I'll just cleanse my hair, just a normal wash day. Then I'll come and show you how I use the aloe vera on my hair as a treatment. Stay tuned, guys. So hi guys, welcome back. So I have my hair freshly washed. So we're going to apply the aloe vera. I have divided it into 4 sections for manageability. So here we have our aloe vera, the little slices I had made. So I'll show you how I extract that gel. Because this one doesn't have so much, I'm just going to scratch it through, just like that, to expose that gel, because it doesn't have so much on this one. Yeah, then we apply. This thing is very bitter, by the way. I ended up swallowing a little bit and I knew where. And there are people who drink this water. So just like that. This one doesn't have much, so we'll put it aside. Let's see this one, if it will give us something. The one I got, the aloe vera I got, is not so jelly. On the some parts of it are not so jelly as I had expected them to be. Oops, sorry. As I'd expected them to be. This one, look at that gel size. Ooh, this one is so jelly. I love it. This one is full of gel. Yeah, this one has gel. Now you can see. So you just keep on exposing that gel with your hands, and it doesn't smell good either. So we'll proceed with this other side. And you have to be careful. If you're allergic to latex, then aloe vera is not your thing. You're going to get some issues. You're going to have rashes on your face. Then you're gonna be like, she told me to use it, but I've told you, if you're allergic to latex, don't use aloe vera. Please do not use aloe vera, because it's full of latex. You can use it on your face as well. Me, I don't like using it on my face because of the taste that usually lands on my mouth, and I'm like, meh. Yeah, I don't like that. It has a very, 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 very bad taste. Believe me when I say it's bad. It's actually really bad. It's medicinal, by the way. There are people who drink the aloe vera juice for various issues. Maybe you have some kidney issues or some liver issues. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so we're done with 2 parts. We're remaining the back. So I'll just do the same procedure. Just to show you on how I take the aloe vera out, I just scratch with my nails. Yeah, just scratch it off with your nails. There. Some gel there. So I'll just scratch it off with my nails. And then I land it on my hair. So I'm using it as a treatment, just a moisturizer and an antioxidant for my scalp to ease the itchiness. It's also very important for hair growth. I stocked in Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go check out my page, just Roseval. So I said on Instagram that this aloe vera contains a chemical called aloenin. So aloenin is actually proven that it grows your hair out. So when you do this for like a month, you'll actually see the results. You'll be like, girl, my hair grew, my hair. Don't know if you can see that. Don't mind the white parts, it's just some parts of the aloe vera just falling out. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to twist this one as well. So that's how you do it, guys. I'm going to let it sit for like 30 minutes. Then I'll come back, show you once I've rinsed it out, how I'll tell you the results, how do I feel about it. And yeah, so stay tuned. Hi guys, I've rinsed out the aloe vera gel I had on my hair. I have spent like 15 minutes trying to get these white things off, but they're just there. But anyway, they don't have any effect. I'm really happy with how fluffy my hair feels, but I will not be able to tell the results because aloe vera results are usually a long-term thing. You have to use it for quite a while so that you can see the growth, you can feel the volume. Okay, so but generally it is an antioxidant. It eases an itchy scalp. I had an itchy scalp because when I go to the salon, changing salonists by this is not a good thing because you might end up with dandruff. So the aloe vera helps with that. I had an itchy scalp and at the moment I feel quite better. About the growth part, I can't tell. I've said that is long term, but generally I can advise you to use aloe vera. Natural products are really good because you know these manufactured ones, they contain chemicals, alcohols that may not be so friendly to your hair, but when you get natural things just direct from the farm to your hair, that's gonna be so good for you. So that's how I feel about it. You can get aloe vera from the grocery store, from a farm. Luckily for me, there's a friend of mine who just grows it, aliniletea. But if you can't get it, you can go to the grocery store, utafute, a supermarket. Some supermarkets sell, maybe Quickmart. I'm not sure about Naivas and the rest. Those who are in other countries, you can check it out in grocery stores. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out my previous video on onion juice. And follow me on Instagram to check out the benefits of aloe vera. I've discussed it there. Thank you, guys. Bye. Till next time.